Ho ho ho! Hello YouTube, this is Vacuum Man 8 today, and today we're just going to do the update on this Hoover Celebrity Deluxe model S3001 from 1977.
They call it in the US Hoover Celebrity 2.
They do, don't they? In the US this one's called, like Carl said, what's it called in the US?
Hoover Celebrity 2.
It's called a Hoover Celebrity 2.
Yeah, with a power head.
And it comes with a power head, doesn't it?
Yeah, and it don't have the button on it, guys.
Those Americans get all the good stuff, don't they?
It don't have that button on there, neither.
No, obviously never had that button on there anyway, but because that button's been a pain in the backside really. But back to the video. We got this one back in, I think it was August.
Last week.
It wasn't last week, it was August. We got it in the summer.
Well, that's last week. The summer's last week. I think the summer's last week.
Summer was last week. Well, as you can see now, look, it's a lot cleaner now inside. I've cut down a quick tip for people that have got.
It's built the sink.
Have they? Quick tip for people who've got celebrities. You buy yourself a generic Dyson DC04 filter.
No, DC07.
Or DC07, and you can cut these to size. This is now.
Or DC08.
Or DC08, there
yeah,
you go.
The DC08 one's bigger, that's what they can make seal.
So this one also now has a genuine Hoover bag.
Look, it's actually got pictures, guys. Look.
Got these actually from Amazon.
Just for
just over £5.
These are the same ones what made me these. Okay.
So these were £5.
This is the same one what my that's got.
Yeah. So it's going to go show them the bags.
Got
I think they're a
on
yard.
There, look.
So it's actually got a picture of this actual machine on there.
That's why this is the proper bags.
Interestingly, these were bought from Amazon.co.uk, but they actually got shipped all the way from the US to England to my house, and it only cost me £5. So if you want to get some
yeah, my baby
for £5, mate, but they will take probably. They take about 14 days.
My baby that's got those ones too.
So these are the modern equivalent ones. So
my baby that's got those ones too.
He has got more than one celebrity, so having a proper set of bags in.
Try the shit again, guys.
Alright, so you can just try the switch again. We did have it moving again just now.
Turn it on the move. Just turn it on and let's hit one bit.
Yeah, so what we're going to do now, we're going to have a quick look at this machine, which we didn't really do much on the first video. This one was made in the USA. They have a slightly different set of tools to what
It's moving.
Go on then.
Listen it.
No, it was moving. I think we had it on camera there. It moved a little bit, mate. So this has it just has a valve on it, which basically
Why? You know the top one? Guy, that's sort of valve, the top one.
yeah, that's a valve which controls the suction on it.
Those are the two valves, not that one.
Oh, right.
That one just
Yeah, we've actually had it apart.
turns the two valves on, and that's just a shit.
Interestingly, this one uses when you push this switch down like that, that then forces the air through the tube.
Why?
And it's got like a valve which switches that, like this. So yeah, so that uses an air-driven tube. The tube is wrapped right around the outside, and it's like a dark brown colour, which then enters in through here. So
this, you see those buttons, that one don't work at all.
Don't it?
No, those are the two it works.
And they are a nightmare. If you take this
Those are the two it works, only, guys.
Yeah.
Not that one.
No.
I got Max.
So we're going to just give it a quick clean demo, because as you can see the head.
Yeah, I'm just setting up Nerf darts, guys.
Locating another
Hey,
head.
look, setting up Nerf darts.
But we've got plenty of Hoover heads anyway.
No, look. Hey, look, guys, look, setting up Nerf darts.
We did think about using the flip head, off a Constellation, but
No.
and you do on the cylinder cleaners, a 70s one, but Cole actually wanted to do the video with the proper head, and as you can see, look, it has got a side, you can direct the suction to the edges and to the forward part. So we're just going to switch this one on now. Go on then.
Put it in there.
So there we have the 1977 Hoover Celebrity. Now we're talking to the owner because we did a face-to-face purchase with somebody. They said that they bought it from Curry's. Now they thought it was, they weren't too sure the year, but this was dated around 77, so maybe this one was like a Curry's or a Comet, because you don't really see many of these celebrity deluxes around. You see the air ride ones. You see lots and lots of them, but these ones are the wheels.
I want to get an USA 72 with a motorhead.
Well, we'll have to see about that one, mate. Wouldn't mind one, but it's just expensive shipping them, isn't it? So
This cool one's not working anymore.
yeah, but it's been sat in your bedroom for about a good 5-6 weeks, hasn't it? So he's got it. He's got this one in his bedroom on stands, and he's got a lot of his. I think he's got the orange the infamous orange Celebrity that we unboxed with the vintage dirt in it. Yes, we've been shopping. Christmas stuff, charity shop, fine, £2.
Where I got this?
Oh yeah, Santa gave him this one. We got that one from Santa this year. From our local garden centre, so turn them off now, mate. So what you say now, Carl?
No, bye.
Bye for now, and please subscribe to Vacuum Man 8. Thank
This
you
is
for
the
watching.
present.
And this is present. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.